Swarg Ashram, as the name connotes, is a beautiful place situated within the picturesque surrounding at the foot of the Himalayas on the left bank of river Ganges between Rishikesh and the Lakshman Jhula. The climate at this place is absolutely fantastic the whole year. This place has always been famous with the rishis and the munis for yoga.
Rishikesh, the yoga city of the world, represents the gateway to the Himalayas in the Tehri Garhwal region. It abounds in natural splendor. The spectacle of Ganga rushing through the Himalayan foothills is an awesome sight. It is famous for all its ashrams. Among all, there is one ashram which truly stands out, the Swarg Ashram. It is the spiritual ground zero of Rishikesh. The ashram was built in 1860 in the memory of Swami Vishuddhanand, the saint better known as Kali Kamliwala among the localites. All the land belonging to the ashram was gifted to Babaji by the Dalmias. After Babaji's death, the Dalmias were declared the settlers of the property. Swarg Ashram has many cafes, Ayurvedic dispensaries, restaurants and hotels. Inside the ashram premises, there are several temples and numerous shrines, each of them depicting a number of Hindu deities. All these residential cells, temples, cafes and other complexes that form a part of the Swarg Ashram are maintained by Kali Kamliwala Kshetra Trust, whose current chairman is well-known industrialist Basant Kumar Birla.
मूलतः बाबा काली कमलीवाले स्वामी याद प्रकाश जी ने मानव सेवा के कल्याण के लिए करी थी 1938 में, जिसमें कि जुगल किशोर जी बिरला, जयदयाल जी गोयनका, पदमपत सिंघानिया जी, वियोगी हरि जी एवं अन्य उस समय के हिंदू मंच से जुड़े हुए लोग जो थे जन जागृति से, उन्होंने इसको ट्रस्ट का स्वरूप प्रदान किया 1938 से। पास इस समय पूरे क्षेत्र में 6.25 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर एरिया, जिसको कि यहाँ की भाषा में 2700 नाली ज़मीन बोलते हैं, और 2.5 नाली का 1 बीघा होता है। तो इस तरह से बाबा जी को ये ज़मीन सारी डालमिया परिवार ने अर्पण करी थी। और हमारा उद्देश्य यह है कि बाबा जी ने हरियाली का जो पर्यावरण के लिए आम और अन्य फलदार वृक्ष लगाए थे, हम आज भी उसको मेंटेन कर रहे हैं, बाग बगीचे लगा रहे हैं। आज की तारीख में भी हमारे पास 85% बाग बगीचे हैं, 15% में हमारा निर्माण कार्य हुआ है, जिसमें यात्रियों को ठहरने की व्यवस्था है। यात्री भी एक समय में लगभग 2000 के करीब हमारे यहाँ रुक सकते हैं।
They basically visit this place for Ayurvedic medicines. The ashram also has a spa where you can rejuvenate yourself and feel youthful. Rishikesh is filled almost entirely with budget hotels. Swarg Ashram is where the majority of the ashrams are located. One of the most famous hotels in Rishikesh is Hotel Greenview.
Shiv Ganga Resort is one of the most economical resorts in Rishikesh. It has 26 rooms, and in 500 you can get a double bedroom apartment with a kitchen and washroom attached to it. Swarg Ashram is the perfect place to fall in love with mankind and God. The aura here is fantastic. Some Sharanarthis who don't get place anywhere outside the township stay at the doors, as you can see right behind me. Baba always wanted to serve mankind. That was his only objective, and the culture is still going on.
never, never. Boom, boom, boom. Gotta get 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 boom, boom, boom. That boom, boom, boom. That boom.